What to consider before buying weight loss pills. If you are like many other individuals who are hoping to lose weight, there is a good chance that you may turn to weight loss pills, also commonly referred to as diet pills. Although weight loss pills are a great way to help you lose weight, you need to be cautious when using them. If this is your first time attempting to use weight loss pills, also commonly referred to as diet pills, to help you lose weight, there are several important factors that you should first take into consideration. These factors may help to make it easier, as well as safer, for you to find and buy weight loss pills. Just a few of the many factors that you should take into consideration when looking to buy weight loss pills are outlined below. One of the many things that you need to take into consideration when looking to buy weight loss pills is that of cost. Weight loss pills, as you will soon find out, are sold at a wide range of different prices. It is common to find weight loss pills that sell for as low as $20, but others that can sell for $300 or even $400. You must find a weight loss pill that you can afford to buy. If you cannot afford the cost of weight loss pills, you may want to examine more natural ways to lose weight. The manufacturer of the weight loss pill in question is another factor that you should take into consideration. The manufacturer in question and their history can give you great insight into a weight loss pill, like if it is one that truly works or not. If a company regularly has a bad reputation of selling weight loss pills that do not work, there is a good chance that you should stay away from that manufacturer and all of their products. Although weight loss pills are often associated with poor results, it is also important to remember that the wrong weight loss pills may also put your health at risk. In conjunction with examining the reputation or history of the weight loss pill manufacturer in question, you are also advised to examine all of the weight loss pills that you would like to try. As previously mentioned, many weight loss pills work great and others do not work at all. To save yourself time and money, you will want to try and find the weight loss pills that have been proven successful. One of the best ways to go about doing so is by visiting online weight loss websites or message boards, reading product reviews, or first consulting with a healthcare professional. It is also important that you first examine the ingredients in a weight loss pill before you make your final purchase. Most importantly, it is important to determine whether or not you are allergic to any of the ingredients. It is also important to see if any of the ingredients in your preferred weight loss pill are dangerous or if they have been recalled. The best ways to find out this information is by consulting with a healthcare professional or by performing a standard internet search. You may want to perform an individual standard internet search with the name of each ingredient. Another factor that you should take into consideration when looking to buy weight loss pills is your point of purchase. Weight loss pills are sold by several different retailers, both on and offline. If you are shopping online, it is important to make sure that you are doing business with a reputable and trustworthy retailer. If you are shopping locally, it may be a good idea to avoid buying weight loss pills from dollar stores or discount stores. The above-mentioned factors are just a few of the many factors that you will want to take into consideration when looking to buy weight loss pills. Generally speaking, weight loss pills are a great way to help you lose weight, as long as you know exactly what you are buying.